A world unseen. A realm teeming with life's hidden wonders. In this captivating journey, we unveil the secrets of cells, the microscopic powerhouses that form the foundation of all life. Cells, the intricate architects of life, hold within them the essence of existence. From the tiniest microorganisms to the most complex organisms, cells are the living embodiment of the miracle of life. Within this realm of cells, exists an astonishing diversity, as the blueprint of life manifests in various cell types, each uniquely adapted to perform specialized functions. Peering through the lens of scientific discovery, we uncover a world of hidden structures within cells. Organelles, the microscopic powerhouses, meticulously orchestrate the symphony of life, carrying out vital tasks that sustain cellular functions. Cells constantly communicate with each other. Through chemical signals, cells coordinate their activities, regulate growth and development, and mount immune responses. This intricate communication network ensures the proper functioning of multicellular organisms. Cells have the incredible ability to replicate themselves. Through the process of cell division, a single cell can give rise to two identical daughter cells, allowing for growth, tissue repair, and the continuation of life. DNA, the blueprint of life, resides within the nucleus of cells. This genetic material carries the instructions that determine an organism's traits and characteristics, passed down from generation to generation. A flexible membrane envelops each cell, guarding the delicate balance between the internal environment and the outside world, selectively regulating the exchange of substances. The graceful ballet of cellular movement. Cells possess the remarkable ability to migrate, change shape, and collaborate, orchestrating the construction of tissues and organs, creating the tapestry of life. Cells exhibit remarkable metabolic diversity. They generate energy through mechanisms such as cellular respiration or photosynthesis, and utilize complex biochemical pathways to produce essential molecules needed for growth, repair, and maintenance. Cells can differentiate and specialize. Through a process called cellular differentiation, cells adopt specific roles and structures that allow them to contribute to the formation of tissues and organs, enabling the complex organization of multicellular organisms. From the invisible depths of cellular life to the dazzling complexity of the world we see, the miracles of the microscopic realm hold the key to our understanding of biological existence itself. Thank you for joining us on this captivating scientific exploration of the cell. Keep learning, keep wondering, and keep exploring.